Books? I thought this was about making music. Well, of course it is. But making music isn't just about being a pop star or becoming famous and getting yourself on TV. There are lots of jobs in music, including making soundtracks for movies or video games. I'd like you to pick a theme and try and make some music that will fit that theme. If you're stuck for ideas, imagine your favourite book or game has been made into a movie, and it's your job to make the soundtrack for that movie. These two books were set in the First World War. Do you think we can make a tune with a war theme? Of course we can. When you're making a soundtrack piece, it can be really helpful to use sound effects. To find them, when you go up to the loop library where we usually choose our instruments from, there's a button that just says Sounds. In there's over 1,000 sound effects to choose from. There's that air raid siren you can hear just now. I've used explosions and cannon shots, but there wasn't any gunfire, so I typed in something that I thought might sound like it. Fireworks. I've then added some instruments that I thought matched the intensity of the sounds, starting with this guitar, then a bass, and some drums. And now we've got the makings of a World War themed rock song. Let's try another. Pelé. He's a famous footballer. He's from Brazil. So that makes me think samba, sunshine, carnival. That was fun. What next? How about this? Stephen King writes scary stories. We can make a horror movie soundtrack. There's plenty of scary sounds we can use. Screechy violins, howling wind, cackling witches. But how do we make it into a piece of music? Add a beat. No matter what kind of music you're making, having a good beat helps hold everything else together. I've also added more strings to go with the creepy violin, and then a guitar at the bottom. Remember to keep following the same basic rules as before. Keep each instrument or sound effect on its own track. Use the grid lines to keep the sounds on the bars and follow the 4x table. So once you've picked your theme, let your imagination run wild. Have fun!